In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about PP ads. From setting up your account to exploring all its powerful features, I'll show you what each tool does, when and how to use it, and help you figure out which pricing plan fits your workflow best. Whether you're researching TikTok ads, analyzing products, or using their AI tools, this guide will give you a clear idea of what PP ads can actually do for you. So by the end, you'll know if it's the right tool to add to your strategy. Alright, so first of all is that you want to go here into PP ads by using the link in the description. Once you're here is that you want to click here on sign up to set up your account, or if you already have one, you want to click here on login. But in my case, I don't have one, so I'm going to click here on sign up or click on start for free. And from here, you can now log in. Just click here on sign up. And then from here is that you want to provide your email, password, then your company, and then your phone number. Or even simpler and easier, go with the Google method, which is this one right here. And now, once you're signed in, you should now be able to see some pop-ups that would ask you some personal questions like about yourself and about the business and your purpose here in PP ads. So just answer them honestly based on your case. And then once you're done, is that you will now be able to proceed here into their dashboard. So in here, the first thing that we're going to do is before we go here into the features of PP ads, we need to go into the pricing first. Before you use PP ads on your real projects, in finding the winning products, for example, you should get a paid plan, because if you don't, then you won't have enough information or you wouldn't be able to PP ads that well. So we're going to click here on the profile right here on the top right, so that we'd be able to see our membership. As you can see, I am still on trial, and from here is that you will now be able to click here on subscription and invoice. And from here, you'd now be able to see the PP ads membership and then the PP ads AI tools right here. So now to go into the pricing plans is that we're just going to go click here on pricing on the top right. And from here, you could go for the PP ads member or PP ads AI tool. So they are not in one price. They are sold separately. So you would really need to be specific on which one, or maybe you would want both of them. And if you don't want to save in the long run, I highly suggest that you go for annual plan right here on PP ads member. In that way, you would be able to save 30%. But you would have to pay big upfront. So yeah, if you're really sure about PP ads, this is the best way that you can do this. And here in the PP ads AI tools is that you could go for AI membership and AI credits. So if you run out of credits, you can just refill it right here. For now, let's just go back here into the membership plans here in PP ads. So first is that we have the starter plan. This is the best choice if you're just getting started on TikTok ads. You'll get up to 1,000 ads per query and 50 daily limits for ad, product, advertiser, and TikTok shop details, which is enough to test the waters and start finding patterns. It's for solo users. It includes basic AI credits, 3 ad tracking credits, and gives you access to tools like Find Similar by Image, so you can start building data-driven campaigns without being overwhelmed. And next is that you have the VIP plan. If you're taking TikTok ads seriously, this is where it gets good. The VIP plan increases your daily research capacity, which is up to 5,000 ads per query and 200 daily views. So this is for each research category. And you'll also get 10 AI credits and 10 ad tracking credits, making it easier to monitor top creatives. You could also have test product angles and even reverse engineer winning ads if you'd want to. All still designed for one user. And lastly is that we have the Pro plan, which is the highest tier. This is for teams or power users who want to scale. You get 10,000 ads per query and a massive 1,000 daily cap across all detail types, and support up to 5 users. So it's built for agencies or growing stores. Plus, with 50 AI credits and 50 ad tracking credits, you'll have the firepower to handle deeper market research, spot trends early, and move faster than competitors. So yeah, by now you should have an idea on which plan would fit you best. Now let's go into the PPAds AI tools and let's go into their membership. So in here, we have the standard plan. You get 100 AI credits per month, which you can use across tools like video transcript generator, image translation, image text removal, and video translation for both speech and text. This plan is ideal if you just need light, occasional use, maybe to analyze a few ad creatives per week and translate or clean them up for testing. And then you have the premium plan. This doubles your monthly credits to 200, giving you more room to work with multiple creatives, especially if you're managing a few products or clients. It's great if you're running A and B testing or regularly sourcing ads from different markets and need fast transactions cleanup. And next is that you have the professional plan, which is the highest tier right here. So at 500 credits per month, this one's built for high volume users. Whether you're creating breakdown content, repurposing viral ads, or prepping creatives across multiple languages, this gives you the scale you need to work without worrying about limits. All plans include the same tools, but it's really the credit cap that scales with your workload. And if ever that you run out of credits, you can always go here into AI credits and buy credits in here. So nothing to explain here, just simply the credits and then their price. So that's it for the pricing. So by now you should have an idea on which one you should get. Now, let's go to the dashboard. So in here, you have the Ad Spy, which is this one right here. This is where most people start. It's the main search engine for viral TikTok ads. And then you could also use these filters right here by country, industry, CTA, and engagement to quickly find what's trending. You could also go for other options, as you can see. So there are a lot of options right here that you'd be able to use so that you'd be able to specify or narrow down the video that you are interested in. And this is also great for spotting patterns and identifying winning ad creatives. Next is that we have the ad library, which is a new feature here in PPAds. So this gives you a more organized and browsable collection of ads, kind of like a curated gallery. It's ideal when you want to explore ads by category or discover what's working in specific niches without having to type keywords. And yeah, you don't have to use this right here, but you could also use it just like in AdSpy, add a keyword, and then put in your filters in here. And yeah, you could also click on one of their ads in here, like for example, this one. And then you'd be able to see the info of that. Same goes with AdSpy, but yeah, you would be able to reach the limit of your available items today if you don't have enough credits or you're only in the trial plan or free plan, just like mine. And finally is that we have the ad tracker in here. So this helps you monitor specific ads over time. You can save ads to track their performance changes, making it super useful for competitor analysis or testing market longevity. So basically, you just need to import the link here of the store or website. And then the PP ads would monitor that store over time when you have pasted that in here so that you'd be able to see the changes if they are actually improving or not. And then you could also go for multiple or single. So you could add multiple links, and then you also have the advertisers in here. So yeah, you could just search and then enter the advertiser link or just import page ID depending on how you'd want to do it. And bonus one is that we have the find similar by image. So as for this one right here is that this tool lets you upload a product photo like from Alibaba, Amazon, or your supplier and instantly pull up TikTok ads that feature the same or similar items. This is super helpful if you already have a product in mind and want to see how others are advertising it. So yeah, this is really useful if you see an ad that you think is really good, then you can just upload it right here, see how it goes, and see information about it. And if you're trying to compete against it, then this is also a really useful tool for you. Next, let's move on into the product section. And in here, we have the ad product. So this feature shows you products that are currently being promoted through TikTok ads. As you can see right here in the filter, so you only have TikTok. You can analyze each product's engagement, like views, likes, and comments to gauge how well it's performing. It also reveals who's advertising the product and how often. So you can view that if you click on one of the products in here and be able to view more information about it. And yeah, this is extremely useful for validating if a product has real demand. You want to use this if you are trying to narrow down what to sell based on what's already working. Basically, same thing. You have a search bar right here with a product keyword. You could also go for the name, description, URL, and advertiser name, and then you have some more filters. Next is that we have the library product. So this gives you access to a huge database of items that have been featured in TikTok ads over time. You can search by keyword, filter by industry, engagement, or niche, and more. And basically, you can get a long-term performance insights. It's not just about what's trending right now. It's about discovering evergreen products and ad angles. You'll also see how many ads feature a certain product, giving you insight into market saturation. This is ideal for research-based product discovery and competitor analysis. Next is that we have the top product. So this section lists the best performing products on TikTok, ranked by engagement and ad frequency. It's where you go to find what's dominating the market right now. These products often show viral potential with high likes, shares, and strong ad activity. Use this shortcut to research when you want a quick list of winning items. It's especially useful if you are looking for high confidence, proven products to test. And as you can see right here, you can only view this if you are on a paid plan. Next is that we have the new product. So again, this is only for a paid plan subscriber. So the new product right here highlights items that have been recently appearing in the TikTok ad space. It's a goldmine for spotting trends before they become oversaturated. You can see which products are just starting to gain traction, giving you a first mover advantage. You want to combine this with engagement tracking to monitor if a product is picking up steam. Use it regularly if you want to stay ahead of the competition. And then lastly is that, again, we have the find similar by image right here. So this tool allows you to upload a product photo and instantly find it with TikTok ads with similar looking products. It's extremely useful if you want to find something on Amazon, Alibaba, or another store that you would want to know how it's performing in TikTok ads. So just simply upload a file, either it's a PNG, JPG, JPEG, or even WebP. And next is that we have the TikTok made me buy it right here. So basically for this one, this is a curated section featuring products that have gone viral under the popular hashtag TikTok made me buy it. So that is a trend, and these items tend to be impulse buys with strong emotional and visual hooks. You'll find things that solves quirky problems, and they are also fun to use and just plain satisfying to watch. Just like this one right here. And not just that, most of these products went viral due to organic content, making them great inspiration for your own ads. It's perfect for sellers looking to tap into buyer psychology and proven trends. Next is that we have the advertisers. So first is that we have the advertisers section. And this section lets you search for specific advertisers running TikTok ads, giving you a breakdown of their campaigns, products, and strategies. You can track how often they run ads, what types of products they push, and even see their most successful creatives once you click on one of these results. It's useful for spying on competitors or getting inspiration from top performing stores in your niche. And we also have the Top Store. So the Top Store shows you the highest performing TikTok shops based on metrics like ad volume, engagement, and product popularity. You can filter by niche or location and see what these stores are selling and how they are marketing it. This is great for understanding what success looks like on TikTok Shop and modeling your store accordingly. And again, this is only for an upgraded plan. And lastly, we have the find similar by image here under advertisers. So here the tool finds advertisers who are pushing products that look like one of in your images that you have uploaded in here. This helps you uncover competitors or parallel brands targeting similar trends. So next is a TikTok shop section in here. So we have the TikTok shop product. This section shows individual products being sold on TikTok Shop, along with their ad data, pricing, engagement, and performance trends. You can filter by region, category, or time frame to find what's currently working. It's a go-to if you want to source winning products that are proven to convert within the TikTok Shop ecosystem. And then we also have the TikTok Shop Store, which is right here. So for this one right here is that this tab lists active TikTok Shop stores ranked by ad activity, popularity, and overall performance. You can dive into their best-selling products, marketing strategies, and even see how often they are advertising. It's extremely useful if you'd want to reverse engineer success from established TikTok sellers. And again, you have the filters in here as usual on the features here in PPADS that you can use to narrow down your results. And lastly, we have the find similar by image again. So in this one right here is that this would help you trace a product image to its potential listing across multiple TikTok Shop stores. So yeah, you could use this again and just simply upload your file. All right, so now moving on, we have apps. So this one is quite interesting. So here in the app section, this gives you a full list of mobile apps that are actively being advertised on TikTok, sorted by ad volume or performance. You can explore categories, see creatives, and analyze ad strategies used by app developers. It's useful if you are in mobile marketing or want to spot viral app trends. And then again, you could use the filter. Next is that we have the developers. So this tab showcases app developers or publishers behind the ads, allowing you to study their entire portfolio and ad behavior. You'll see which apps they are pushing and how aggressively they are spending on ads. It's ideal if you're researching app-based competitors or looking for partnerships. And next is that we have the top apps. So this shows current top performing apps based on ad volume, engagement, or downloads driven from TikTok. These are typically dominating ad space and gaining momentum. It's perfect if you would want to track viral growth or find inspiration for app ad angles. So for this one, it's only available on the upgraded or paid plans. And then you have the filters again right here. And next one is that we have the new apps. So this one right here is shows you a list of newly launched or newly advertised apps making their debut on TikTok. It's a goldmine for early trend spotting. Great for marketers who would want to catch emerging apps before they explode. You want to use this to find low competition niches or new ideas. And next is that we have the top developers. So this is where you'll find the most active and successful developers across TikTok ads based on their overall ad output and app performance. This helps you spot the biggest players in mobile advertising, which is ideal for competitor benchmarking or learning high budget strategies. So yeah, this is basically it. And this one is the needs an upgraded or paid plan. Next, we have AI tools. So first is that we have AI Home. This is the main dashboard for all AI powered tools available in PPADS. It basically just gives you a quick access to each feature along with your remaining credits. So you can use it as your control center to manage and explore all AI capabilities efficiently, and then you'd be able to see the number of credits that you still have right here on the left side or the bottom left, and then you'd be able to see your current plan. And next is that we have the video transcript generator. So as for this one, all you have to do is that upload your video or audio file right here. And this tool will automatically extract and convert spoken content from a video into clean, readable text. It's perfect for understanding ad scripts, translating influencer content, or repurposing spoken content into copy. So that's it. It's very simple, or you could also just generate this one right here by using a link. Next is that we have the image translation. So this tool identifies and translates any foreign text directly from the ad images, just like this one right here. It's great for analyzing international ads or understanding creatives from other regions. You can instantly see what's being said in different markets. And next is that we have the image text removal. So this lets you cleanly erase unwanted text from an image using AI, making it easier to repurpose or customize visuals. This is especially useful when adapting ad creatives for a new campaign. It saves time compared to manual editing, as you can see on their example right here. So this is what it does. And then you could also go for batch image if you'd want to go for multiple images, and ecom product image by providing their link. Same goes with the image translation. You could also do the same. Next is that we have the video text translator. So this feature translates visible on-screen text in your videos into your selected language. It helps break down foreign ad content for local use or research, useful for global ad monitoring or content localization. So just simply provide the video right here, either via link or the file, and then select the language to be translated into. Next is that we have the video speech translator. So this tool detects and translates spoken dialogue in videos, even if it's in another language. It's valuable for researching foreign language video ads and understanding global marketing angles. It also helps when sourcing influencers across regions. And then next is that we have the video text removal. So this AI removes visible text from video frames to give you a cleaner version for editing or inspiration, just like this one right here. So this is the video version of the image text removal. So this one is ideal for repurposing content or studying visual structure without distraction. It works best on simple backgrounds. So in this way, you can just get an ad that has subtitles and then make it your own by removing that. So it's like that you'd be able to add your own touch to that video. And lastly is that we have history. So basically this just stores your recent AI tool activities so you can revisit them, like if there are past transcriptions that you have made, translations, or edits. It's helpful for keeping track of research without reprocessing the same content. You can also download results here at any time. So yeah, those are the core features in here and what you should know, especially if you're a beginner. And then you have also some additional tools right here that might be useful. All of these are for free. Like for example, the Shopify theme editor. So if you would see a Shopify store and you really like the theme and you don't know what it is, then you can definitely use this. So this is one of my favorite free tools right here. And you also have some other tools that you could use right here. So that's it on everything you need to know here in PIPIADS. And remember, if you'd want to get a PIPIADS subscription or just want to try it, then make sure to use the link in the description. It's an affiliate link that would help us support this channel. So we'll earn a commission if you buy a subscription off of that. So it would be greatly appreciated if you could use that. Also, it will be putting out a exclusive offer and some bonuses if applicable. So make sure to check the link in the description so that you'd be able to get those. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.